Welcome to Mastering Night Photography. Join us on a journey through the night as we unlock the secrets of capturing the beauty of the nocturnal world. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to night photography. You will learn essential techniques that will help you capture stunning images after dark. One of the key techniques in night photography is long exposure. It allows you to capture the motion of the night, creating stunning light trails and smooth water effects. Another technique we will explore is light painting. By using a light source to paint patterns in the air, you can add a touch of magic to your night shots. Night photography also offers the opportunity to capture the wonders of the night sky through astrophotography. Learn how to photograph stars, galaxies, and even the Milky Way. To achieve breathtaking results in night photography, it's important to choose the right equipment. We will provide you with valuable tips and recommendations to enhance your night photography gear. In addition to equipment, understanding the optimal camera settings for night photography is crucial. We will guide you through the process of unlocking the full potential of your camera in low light conditions. Night photography is not just about technical skills. We will inspire you to unleash your creativity and develop your own unique style in capturing the beauty of the nocturnal world. Are you ready to capture the beauty of the nocturnal world? Join us on this night photography adventure and start capturing stunning images after dark. Visit our website to learn more.